Alright guys, today I am reviewing this wholly wholesome, naturally delicious bake at home pumpkin pie. And if you look here, it is vegan. So check that out. Here's the back, nutrient content. If you guys want to read that, pause the video. Here's the ingredients. So there's no, it's vegan, but it does contain a little bit of that wheat flour, so just be aware of that. Now, this has been sitting in the oven, so we're gonna do a quick taste test. Okay, so first thing is, we're gonna try a bit of the pie crust. As you can see, it's a little bit more watery. So, what they use to bind it, if you actually read the ingredients, there's no eggs in there, but they use like garbanzo beans and some soybeans in there, which is actually kind of interesting. And they have pumpkin puree in there, so let's try it out. Taste-wise, it tastes like a pumpkin pie, but you can totally tell that there's nothing like regular pumpkin pie has that sort of like a custard or a gel that holds it together. You can totally tell it does not exist in something like this. So, but the taste is there. It's not bad. It's just don't expect it to be like firm. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.